straight to your inbox.
You've got mail.
Your Blanton Museum of Art digital membership card is here. It's eco-friendly, always with you, and makes museum check-in even easier. Plus, members now have access to a new online membership portal. Manage your account and explore members-only content.
The show is about vision.
The best part? Your card is easy to download and easy to use. iPhone users, ready to install your digital membership card? Open your new membership card email on your iPhone. Tap the blue download button. A new browser window will appear. Tap the black Add to Wallet button at the top of the screen. This opens the membership card in the Apple Wallet app, which is pre-installed on your iPhone. Tap Add in the upper right corner to save the digital membership card to your Apple Wallet. Access your membership card anytime by opening the Apple Wallet app. Tap on the card's banner to make it full screen. It's that easy. On your next visit, show your digital membership card at the desk to make museum check-in a breeze. Then enjoy your visit to the Blanton Museum of Art. Have more questions? Visit our FAQ page at blantonmuseum.org/membercardfaq for installation tips, info on secondary memberships, and much more. Thanks from the Blanton Museum of Art for supporting us. And remember, members always get in free and always see special exhibitions first.